there are two types of options. One is a American option, another is a European option, right? uh, and I always get confused like which type is which. So forget about this. Let us call it A and B, okay, to simplify things. Now option A is index option, option B is a stock option, right? So what is the difference between the two? First, index option, since index cannot be delivered, right? Index is not a stock or index is not a commodity, so it cannot be delivered. So all index option transactions, whether they are in the money, out of the money, whatever it is, if you hold it till expiry, they are cash settled. Same was true for stocks, and even stocks were cash settled. But now exchanges have started doing physical settlement. What it means is that if you have bought a call, then you have to take a delivery of all the stocks if you're holding this call till expiry. If you have sold a put, same thing. And the opposite is true for selling calls and buying puts. You will have to deliver the stock. So we have moved from cash settlement to these physical settlements. And that is the reason why they are saying that if you, let's say you have sold calls, right? So basically what they are saying is please maintain the stocks in your demat account, because if you get exercise, if your call is in the money, all right, if it goes in the money on expiry, then you may have to deliver the stocks. But if it is out of the money, then you don't have to worry about it. But still, what I would suggest is you get out of it. Okay. One more thing about stocks and these index options, the difference is that index options are settled on expiry only. All right. So even if they are settled in cash, this settlement is only going to happen on expiry. So let's say you have sold a call on Nifty and the Nifty goes higher and this is now deep in the money. It still cannot be settled till expiry. M2M will be deducted from your account, but the final settlement is only going to happen on expiry. On the stock side, this can be settled any day of the series. So if you have sold a call, market goes above that, now your call is in the money, this can be exercised, right, by the buyer. The buyer can say that, okay, market has gone higher, I want to buy the stock, I want to take the delivery of the stock. It can happen any time. All right. Since your option is out of the money, I believe you have received this warning for expiry. So stocks can be exercised any day of the series. Index options can be exercised only on expiry if you are short and the market goes against you and the option becomes in the money, only in that case. All right. Otherwise, if your option you have sold and it is out of the money, you don't have to worry about anything in index. Neither you have to worry about anything in stocks. But let's say you have sold a call. I don't know where IDFC is trading. Let's say it is trading at 150 and you have sold a call for 160. And even if it is just 5 paisa, but if there is for some reason market goes higher, it goes above 160 and this is where it expires, then since you have sold a call, you have to deliver the whole number of shares, whatever is the lot size, let's say 500. So you have to deliver 500 IDFC stocks. All right. So on the safer side, even if you have covered calls, if the market is in your favor and your option is not, showing any value, like if it is just 5 paisa, this is the lowest it can go, you get out, right? You get out. And in also as a thumb rule, right? Covered calls, if you are making 50% of the option premium and you have even a very small doubt about what the market may do, or if you are closer to the expiry, get out. All right. Keep getting in your premiums. All right. So that is what my suggestion would be.